Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for looking today. I want to say I'm sorry this video may be a little bit hard to listen to just because it's windy out here today when I'm doing this video, so bear with me. Hopefully I can get across the excellent points of this 2015 Silverado here that I have for sale. It is a two-wheel drive. It's a 5.3. It's got a 6L80 transmission in it. It has been meticulously maintained and it is in exemplary condition. I mean, the video and the pictures that you'll see of it will not do it justice. To see it in person is to believe the condition of it. Again, it's a 2015 5.3 automatic, short bed, short cab, and it is a two-wheel drive. Very hard to find combination. It is loaded down with power windows, keyless entry, Bluetooth stereo, leather wrapped wheel, carpet on the inside, GM accessory, floor mats. It has a positive traction rear end, a 308 gear from the factory. It has 20-inch chrome, what they call snowflake wheels on it that are in very nice condition, and it's wrapped in Continental, I think cross contact maybe, tires in a 275 60 20, I do believe. They're 20-inch wheels. It's got the chrome package. It's got factory fog lights. I did, if you'll notice in the front here, I'll come around the front. This is just personal preference. I did add a Z71 grill to it, which I just think they look so good. Yeah, I think they look so good. So I added the Z71 chrome grill. I do have the original chrome grill, but I think the Z71 grill looks just awesome. Truck has had a lot of recent maintenance done to it. It has, biggest thing, if you know anything about Chevrolets, and whether it's a Silverado platform, Tahoe, Suburban, Yukon, this thing has got what they call displacement on demand, where this engine cuts it down to 4 cylinders. I have had a tuner tune that out of it. So they say that doing that really helps the longevity of the lifters in it. I do it to all the trucks that I own, or have owned, I should say, in the past. I just immediately do that. So it's had that done. It has also had the transmission thermostat cooler upgrade, so the transmission stays a lot cooler. What else? It's had new plug wires, new plugs, all 3 new serpentine belts on the front of the engine. Oil change. It's had a transmission filter and fluid change. It's getting windy here. Let's get on into the inside of the truck. Maybe I can cut down on some of the wind. Okay. What else? Cabin air filter, I've got a list of things that I've done to the truck recently, just because I knew that I was going to sell the truck and I wanted everything to be perfect as far as for the new owner. Inside of the truck it's hard to say it's even better than the outside, but I mean it's almost flawless inside the cabin of this truck. I don't think, no matter what the miles are, and by the way, this truck has 123,000 on it, and it really presents as if it's got 23,000. It has gray vinyl interior in it, carpet on the floors, GM accessory mats. It does have the towing package. We've got a brake controller right there, factory fog light switch. It has not quite the base model radio in it, but one up from that, because it does have the Bluetooth phone speaker, and Pandora and all that you can link to it. It's what they call I think a split bench, buckets and let's see, let's lift this up. Yeah, so you can go 3, you can roll 3 deep up in here if you want to. Other thing that's super nice about it is that it's got a rear window defogger. So you get in it in the morning on a cold day and you can defog the rear window. Obviously, cruise control, leather wrapped, you can see it here, leather wrapped wheel. Okay. You can see the power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Like I said, it does have keyless entry with 2 fobs. It has a tonneau cover on the back, roll-up style. I'll come around the back here. Here's your chrome snowflakes. Super nice looking wheel. It does also have, if I can get down here and show it to you, it got factory GM wheel well liners that I like. I just like those because it kind of finishes off the wheel well. Chrome back bumper, obviously. Backup camera. See, it's got the little backup camera right there. Class 3 tow and hitch on it. Now you drop the bed. It's got a factory GM bed liner in it. If you look up top, you just grab that little strap right there, pull that down, and the tonneau cover rolls up. It does have, I just added this little light here for nighttime. If you turn it on, see if you're out here at night, you got your groceries in the back, you just click that on and on. It's super nice. I mean, the paint on the truck it's gone through a 4-stage paint correction process, whereas it's buffed 4 separate times with increasing compounds until you get to the finest compound, and then it's waxed. And when I tell you that the pictures, this video does not do this paint justice, I am not exaggerating. I don't know that you'll find a ding in it. There may be one somewhere. I have not found it yet. Okay. I cannot say that there's not a small chip or something somewhere, but I mean, front of the hood, it's not eat up. I mean, I'm trying to let you take in just how shiny this paint is. Okay, let's get around this side. We'll look inside from here. All right. Just as clean on this side, my friends. Yeah, like I said, it's going to be hard. You're going to be hard pressed. I don't care how many miles you've got on a pickup truck to find one cleaner than this on the inside. It's got, let's see if I can pull the seat up. Obviously, as you would expect, it's got all factory jack and stuff back here. It's gorgeous behind there too, clean as a pin. All right, let's see if I can keep my finger